Welcome to our tutorial on setting up your IP camera surveillance system. We'll walk you through the installation process step by step in this video. Let's get started. First, input the HDMI cable into the HDMI output port on your NVR. And insert the other end into the HDMI input port on your television or monitor. Next, link both the IP NVR and the PoE switch by one LAN cable. Subsequently, ensure the mouse and power adapter are properly plugged into the respective ports on the IP NVR. Afterward, establish connections between each IP camera and the PoE switch using LAN cables. Finally, don't forget to connect PoE NVR and the PoE switch to the same router using Ethernet cables.